Hello, and welcome to my channel. Before this story starts, remember one rule. Never explain your dreams to people who laugh. Prove it with results. Now, let's begin. A young man grew up in a small home. He had a big dream, but a quiet fear. His parents worked hard every day. Early mornings, late nights, no rest. Money was tight, but they hid it. They smiled, even when they were stressed. They told him, "Study. We believe in you." Their eyes were tired, but full of hope. As a teenager, he was careless. He did not understand responsibility. Years later, his friends got good jobs. They celebrated loudly. He smiled quietly. That night, he walked alone. He felt behind, and it hurt. People asked him, "What are you doing now?" He gave a small smile and avoided their eyes. Inside, he felt shame. He felt small in a crowded room. One night, he heard his parents whispering. He stopped and listened. He saw bills on the table. He saw worry on their faces. His heart became heavy. He thought, "They are struggling for me." The next day, he said, "I want to study abroad." His voice was calm, but his heart was shaking. His parents had no money, but they said yes, with fear in their eyes. At the airport, his mother cried. His father held his shoulder, trying to stay strong. On the plane, he looked out the window. He felt scared, and he felt pressure. The new city was big and fast. He pulled his suitcase, feeling alone. In his small room, he checked his money. It was not enough, and panic hit him. He got a part-time job. Hard work, tired hands, long hours. He worked at night and studied early. He was exhausted, but focused. His friends sent messages and laughed. They did not see his struggle. They asked, "What is your future?" He stared at the screen and felt fire inside. He wanted to reply, but he did not. He put the phone away and stayed quiet. He made a rule for his life. No parties, no show-off, only work. Months passed. Some days he wanted to quit, but he did not stop. Then one day, an email arrived. His hand started shaking. It was a job offer from a very big company. He smiled, and tears came. He did not post online. First, he called his parents. His mother cried with joy. His father stayed quiet, then said, "I am proud." Later, the friends who laughed asked, "How did you do it?" He did not answer, because his life already answered. He did not win with words. He won with silence. Because success speaks louder than explanation. Let's review 3 powerful words from today's story. 1. Discipline. Doing what is necessary, even when it is hard. 2. Guilty. Feeling bad about something you did. 3. Proud. Feeling happy because of success. If this story helped you, please like this video. Subscribe to the channel and share it with a friend who needs motivation. Now write one simple sentence in the comments. I will not give up. Today, we learned new words and sentences through this story. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.